Hello learners, this is Supriya Kaushik signing in as your science educator. I hope you all are doing good. In our last online session, we have completed first two textbook exercises of chapter number 7, our skeletal system. Today we are going to continue with the textbook exercise. Then we will look some new words of this chapter and then we will write answers to the questions given in your textbook. So let's get started with question number 3, textbook exercise on page number 95 of your textbook. Question number 3 is, name the parts of the skeleton system that protect the following. That means which part of the skeleton protect the following organs of our body. First one is eyes. As you know, skull protects the eyes. So the answer is skull. Second is spinal cord. So the answer is vertebral column. Vertebral column protects the spinal cord. Third is heart. Heart is protected inside rib cage. So the answer is rib cage. Fourth is brain. Again, skull protects the brain. Now next is lungs. Rib cage protects the lungs. And the last is ears, and ears are protected by the skull. So these are the answers for question number 3. Now we have completed all the textbook exercises. Now we will look question number 4, which is answer the following questions in one sentence. But before that, let me give you some new words related to the chapter, and these new words you have to write thrice in your science notebook. So the first new word is skeletal. 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 Second is muscles. 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 Third one is framework. framework. Fourth is vertebrates. 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 Fifth is hinge. hinge. Sixth one, bone marrow. bonemarrow. Seventh is internal. internal. Eighth one, skull. skull. Ninth is immovable. immovable. Tenth is vertebral column. vertebral. 11th is spinal cord. spinal cord. Next is vertebrae. vertebrae. 13th is rib cage. ribcage. 14th is sternum. sternum. 15th is ligaments. ligaments. 16th is ball and socket. ball and socket. 17th is pivotal. pivotal. 18th is gliding. gliding. 19th is tendons. tendons. And the last one, posture, Posture. So these are the new words that you need to write in your notebook thrice. Now coming to question number 4, answer the following questions in one sentence. So the first question is, name the parts of the human skeleton. And the answer is, the parts of the human skeleton are skull, vertebral column, rib cage, and arms and legs. This is your answer number 1. Now second question you can see from your textbook is, what is a movable joint? So the answer is, joints that allow movements of our body parts are called movable joints. This is answer number 2. Now question number 3. State a part of the human body where we find hinge joint. Answer is, hinge joints are found in our elbows, knees, fingers and toes. Now last question, where do we find immovable joints? Answer is, we find immovable joints in the skull. These are short question answers of question number 4. Now next question, answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences. So the first question is, write 3 sentences on the importance of the skeleton in the human body. Answer for this question is, these are 3 points which is explaining the functions of skeleton system. So you have to write in points. Now first point is, skeleton supports the body and helps to maintain its shape. Second point is, it protects the internal organs of the body. Third point is, it helps the body to move. These are the functions of skeletal system in human body. Now question number 2, explain the structure of the vertebral column. And answer is, the vertebral column is a hollow tube through which the spinal cord runs. It is made up of 33 ring-shaped bones called vertebrae. It is a long S-shaped structure which bears the load of our upper body, protecting our head from shocks and jerks as we walk and run. This is your answer number 2. Now question number 3, describe ball and socket joint. And the answer is, ball and socket joint is a movable joint which allows movement in every direction. In this point, the spherical ball-like part of one bone fits into the cup-like cavity of the other bone. The shoulder and hip joints are ball and socket joints. And the last question, how can we keep our bones and muscles healthy? And the answer is, to keep our bones and muscles strong, we must eat food items such as beans, gram, moong, eggs, fish, fruits, vegetables, and also drink a lot of milk. We must play outdoors every day and also ensure that we get enough sunlight. This was your answer number 4. Now after this, there are 3 higher order thinking skills question. And the first question is, why do legs and arms have large tube-like bones? So the answer is tube-like bones are light yet strong and are able to hold weight and tolerate pressure. Second question you can see on page number 96 of your textbook, and the question is, the vertebral column is not made of a single bone. Why? And the answer is, if it were to be a single bone, we will not be able to bend. This is your answer number 2. So the last question for the chapter, why should you play outdoors every day for some time? And the answer is, we should play to keep our bones and muscles healthy. So this was all about your question answers of chapter number 7, our skeletal system. And your homework will be, you have to write the new words of this chapter which I have given in this video thrice, and you have to complete all these question answers in your notebook. Okay? So keep learning. See you soon in our next online session. Till then, wish you a happy learning. Thank you, class.